Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming compatibility and gathering items. Many Buick Regal models, through 2013, support owner programming, while later Regals usually require dealer or locksmith tools. You must have one working remote plus the new remote, and allow about 10 minutes of uninterrupted time. Have the vehicle key and a cut key available if the car uses a rolling code immobilizer. If the key is lost entirely, programming without dealer equipment is rarely possible. Check the owner manual for program the remote by entering the vehicle, closing all doors, and inserting the key into the ignition without starting the engine. Turn the ignition on, then OFF 8 times, ending in on, all within about 10 seconds to trigger programming mode. Door lock should cycle to confirm entry. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the lock button on the new remote for 3 seconds, then release. The lock should cycle again. Repeat for additional remotes. Then turn the ignition OFF and test each remote from several feet away. If the procedure fails, power cycle and retry. Turn ignition OFF, wait 5 minutes, then repeat the sequence. Limit attempts to 3 before reassessing. Confirm the new remote uses the correct FCC ID and fresh battery, commonly CR 2032, or the vehicle will not recognize it. For Regals that lack owner programming, or when keys are lost, contact a dealer or an automotive locksmith with GM-compatible programming tools. They can clone transponder chips and program rolling code remotes. Always test all functions. Lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.